Manual versus automatic. The age-old battle between car lovers, commuters, and everyone in between. Some say manuals are dying. Others swear they're built to last a lifetime. But today, we're not taking sides, we're digging into the facts. Which one really lasts longer? And more importantly, which one should you drive? Stick around till the end. We'll bust some myths and give you real-world advice that could save you thousands in repairs. Let's start with the basics. What's the real difference between manual and automatic transmissions? In a manual car, you control the gears. You press the clutch, shift the stick, and feel the car. In an automatic, the car does all that for you. Smooth, simple, convenient. So why does this matter? Well, every gear shift creates wear and tear. But the way that wear happens and how much control you have over it is what makes the difference. Let's talk durability. Manual transmissions are mechanically simpler. Fewer moving parts. Less complexity. That means less can go wrong. A well-maintained manual can easily go 200,000 to 300,000 miles or more without a major repair. And when things do go wrong, fixes are usually cheap and straightforward. But here's the catch, you are the weak link. Bad shifting, riding the clutch, or stalling all lead to faster wear. On the other side, automatic transmissions are more complex. Hydraulics, sensors, software, torque converters, it's a lot. And when they fail, repairs can cost you $3,000 to $8,000, or even more. But if you drive gently and keep up with your maintenance, today's automatics, especially CVTs and dual clutch systems, can easily last over 150,000 to 200,000 miles. So, the real question isn't which one lasts longer. It's who's driving it and how. Let's hear from the streets. Real drivers. Real experiences. I drove my Honda Civic manual for 18 years. Over 280,000 miles. Replaced the clutch once. Cost me $600. That's it. My 2016 automatic Nissan Altima? Transmission failed at 110,000 miles. CVT was toast. Quoted $4,500 to replace it. I sold the car. My wife's Toyota Camry automatic has 220,000 miles. Still running smooth. But we changed transmission fluid every 30k miles. Never skipped a service. So what's the takeaway? Maintenance and driving habits matter more than the badge on the gear stick. Let's talk money. Manual cars are generally cheaper up front. Often $1,000 to $1,500 less than their automatic counterparts. They're also cheaper to maintain, if you know how to drive one properly. But if you burn through clutches every 50,000 miles, that savings disappears fast. Automatics, on the other hand, cost more upfront and cost way more to fix. But they offer ease, especially in traffic. So what do the numbers say? Manual car, clutch every 100k miles. Around $700 to $900 every 8 years. Automatic car, fluid, diagnostics, eventual rebuild. Anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 over 10 years. Winner. If you're a careful, confident driver, manual wins in long-term value. If you're rough, lazy, or stuck in city traffic daily, automatics save you sanity. And maybe your left knee. Now, for the purists, manuals aren't just about cost, it's about control. Want to downshift for a hill? Feel connected to the car? Control revs? Manual gives you that thrill. Automatics? They've come a long way. Modern automatics are so responsive that most drivers can't tell the difference. Some sports cars today, like Porsche's PDK or BMW's Steptronic, are faster than manuals. So again, depends on what you're driving and how much of a car person you are. Now, want your car to last longer regardless of transmission? Here are 5 driving habits that protect your transmission, manual or automatic. Number 1, warm up your car before driving hard. Cold fluid equals sluggish gears. Number 2, don't ride the clutch. Manual drivers, don't hover your foot. It kills your clutch. Number 3, change transmission fluid on time. Automatics need this like humans need water. Number 4, avoid sudden gear shifts at high RPMs. No aggressive drop-downs. Number 5, don't tow or overload. Especially in automatics, that torque converter isn't invincible. Remember, transmissions don't die overnight. They die from 1,000 little mistakes. Let's bust some myths while we're here. Myth number 1, manuals don't break down. False. Bad driving ruins manuals faster than anything. Myth number 2, automatic cars can't be towed. Depends. Some need flatbed towing. Others allow neutral rolls. Always check the owner's manual. Myth number 3, you never have to change automatic transmission fluid. Dead wrong. That's the fastest way to kill it. Myth number 4, manual cars are always better in snow. Not always. Automatics with traction control or all-wheel drive often perform better. So, which lasts longer? Manuals often win in simplicity, cost, and long-term reliability, but only in the right hands. Automatics offer ease, modern tech, and can last just as long if maintained properly. So if you're a careful, engaged driver, manual may last you forever. A city dweller, commuter, or relaxed driver, modern automatic is your friend. Remember, it's not just what you drive, it's how you drive it. So, are you team manual or team automatic? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more car smarts, and hit the bell so you never miss a shift. I mean video. Until next time, drive safe and treat your transmission with respect. It might just outlive the car.